how we do it. Yay! Today we are unboxing L.O.L balls. Series 1. Let's get started. I'm going to go first with my L.O.L ball. Maybe not come. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Hit that bell. Okay, so I am unboxing my ball and I found a little paper and I think it is going to tell me who do I have. Okay, so it has like, this is the hand. It's like, yes, this is the hand. Yeah. So I think it is Question Cookie. Who knows? Let's get back to our ball. This might take a long time because unboxing L.O.L is too. I got a little L.O.L stickers for my L.O.L. You know, unboxing L.O.Ls are so hard. It is kind of so hard to unbox it. I wonder if this is gonna have this kind of problem. I unboxed it. Oh, okay. That's almost right. Oh! L.O.L. And let's see. Okay, so on here we got Crystal Queen. And we got Glitter Queen, Queen Bee, and every other character. But let's see if I really want Queen Bee. Let's see if I got Queen Bee. But first we need to open up her surprises. Oh my. It is an L.O.L baby bottle. I don't think you can see it, but it's an L.O.L baby bottle. L.O.L's gonna love it. Fixes, would you mind holding that for me? And I wonder who got this clothes. Let's find out. We got her tiara. I know who she's getting. I think I'm getting her. Fancy. I think I need to find out what we got. This is Fancy right here. Look at the paper. This is Fancy. OMG! I got little Fancy. Let's just put on her clothes because I do not. I'm going now. Yes, Big Sis, you are. Big Sis, you need some help? Look at her. I got one more surprise to open. Her shoes. Big Sis, would you mind waiting so I can open her shoes? Yes. Oh my gosh. She got little baby tiny pink shoes. Big Sis, you can carry on. It's 2 girls plus a reward. You cannot see the hint. Now you can. There you go. I got little shoes on and I'm about to do one more. I got my first L.O.L finished. Oh, that's so good. Opening it. It's opening it. She got blue. Just a white bottle and what red. Kind of yellow shoes? Those kind of yellow shoes. I think I got Miss Swag. Miss Swag with the suede edges. We all Miss Swag with the suede edges. I know you can't see it because it's too white. Well, Miss Swag got suede edges. I'm gonna start unboxing my stuff while she puts on her big clothes. This is the best ever. Look at this. What is it supposed to be? Can you guys tell me? It's like zip your mouth with a mouse. Zippy mousey. Who knows? Not me. See? And I'm gonna get her hat. Let me see how her hat goes.
Oh, her hat goes backwards, not frontwards.
Swag. There. So I got the little baby's bottle out. I got these cups out here. I wonder what baby we got.
I know who you're getting. You're getting baby cat.
Oh, so cute. And I got to see her. She is Meow Cat. Oh, wow.
Audio Jungle.
Oh, should I put this on them or should I?
I'm gonna start opening my series.
Okay, it's okay.
They gave me a hint. Oh, a doggy with her.
Well, guys, I know what she is. She's a crier. We got Meow done. So L.O.L dolls done so far. We're gonna put them in a safe spot right here. In their little cubbies with each other.
I'm getting Diva. I'm getting Diva. That's what I wanted. Always wanted.
It's not even fair. I wanted Diva. I think she got Steven. I think that is Diva's pants.
Her shoes.
She got boots. Once she opens all her Diva clothes, then I can start opening mine. I've been dying to open this one. Not for real dying, I was just... Mine's a fire slingshot, I guess? I don't know. I'm just putting little boots on. Maybe this is no shit. It's a fire and a slingshot. Well, as they say, slingshot. Okay, so I unboxed it too already. This is my third one. As you see, I don't know. I'm gonna share my sign.
Now this is her. This you can't see. Oh, now you can. Okay. There you go. Lay it down. You need to go to sleep. Her bottle. There you go.
That's pretty much surprise. So I unboxed it. L.O.L. I unboxed it. A lot of L.O.Ls.
Your turn.
I got the coffee cups. All types of cups. Now you guys put the kind, I have a cape. So cool. Like,
Sorry, guys. I'm taking this now just to open a little.
opening L.O.L surprises are so hard, so we do our best to open.
There we go. Okay, I'm opening the bottle. That's the impossible.
I'll be getting more, baby. I think I know who. Interesting,
Baby, I told ya.
Yay! It's time for me to open my L.O.L bowl. I got big sisters putting on her big L.O.L doll.
I put on my L.O.L doll.
I got lemon kitty. It's a lemon like kitty. See, lemon kitty. I don't think it's see because my nose. I got like the water bottle and the clothes and the shoes.
I got Miss Mer Baby. Just need to find her shoes.
I think I know who I'm getting. Scar baby. Okay, let's take out the L.O.L. Let's take out this because I do not know what that is, but it's going to be fun. Okay, let's
find her other shoes.
I got a green. Woohoo! Thanks, big sis. Let them see. Oh my god. Oh my.
She got a bottle.
She got a green bottle. We have all the bottles. We have 3 bottles so far. We have 3 little tiny green shoes, of course.
Not mine.
came with a little baby tiny pacifier. We are realistic.
I got sticker again.
See, guys. Oh, you see her Patsy? my pacifier. I want a pacifier. Really? No, I don't. I'm teaching. I just like it. I had surprised 3 L.O.L dolls. I mean, 4 L.O.L dolls so far. And I got.
I have gold.
No! No! I know who she's getting. She's getting Queen Bee, and I really want Queen. That's Crystal Queen.
I don't got Crystal Queen.
Yes, you do.
Oh, I do.
Okay, so I'm gonna start opening this one. I hope I get the one I was begging for because I thought she was gonna get Queen Bee. That's my fave, and I hope they pack Queen Bee in here because she is the only
You thought
girl.
that whole side that has Queen Bee in it.
I thought you had.
Let's see.
Glitter!
I still got Crystal Queen.
Crystal Queen is a glittery girl, and I love her. So we have the clothes right here. We have the bag right there. I hope I get twins. Got one yellow cup. L.O.L. A bag. Badge thingy. Yeah. So let's think who I'm gonna get.
This is her.
Oh my gosh! I got an orange bottle. I think I know who it is. I do not know yet, but I know. Hoops MVP. I can see MVP shoes on here. She got little shoes with little fuckies. Oh, so cute. I wish I had these, but I don't. So I had opened every single one of my L.O.L. I have one more to open. Oh. Sorry, but baby needs this. And
A pacifier.
Oh, that's her first favorite pacifier. Okay, I got my last L.O.L to open. I hope I get Queen Bee, because if I don't get Queen Bee, then it's not going to be a best one.
I got Cheer Captain.
So fair. But Cheer Captain is...
And she got...
All our L.O.L dolls have whipped. I gotta kiss them.
Cheerleading clothes.
One of us. I think I got Queen Bee. I think I got Queen Bee.
She's a crier.
I have no messages and no password.
You got Queen Bee?
Yuppie. Queen Bee! Queen Bee, Queen Bee. I got Queen Bee. Queen Bee.
I didn't really want to
Queen Bee. Queen Bee.
She got stockings on. Oh my gosh.
I think I found your little queen shoes for her.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. No problem. I do ever flip. And you got one more shoe.
I know. Put it down, please.
What happened to her shoes? It came off.
Because I lost one. It's somewhere.
Girl, it's right here.
Oh. I got her. I'm going to put on her clothes. Her clothes. Okay.
We are finished with the L.O.Ls.
I just need to put on her.
She needs to put on her clothes and shoes. Then we're finished. I got this little phone for Queen Bee. I don't know if she's going to call people.
That's fake, girl.
Fake?
I got. Who do I got? No.
Oh, I know. Her.
I got center stage.
Oh, yeah.
Yay! Okay.
Okay.
That's what I really like. Center stage and the one with the glitter.
I think you got one more surprise in there.
Her bottle.
And this is mine.
Oh,
No,
that's
that's
mine.
yours.
Do her arms go on the shirt?
I do not think so.
What do they do?
Okay, so we are gonna face all our L.O.L dolls up. Then we are going to, you know.
Finito. Finish. I mean.
Like and subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye.